If you encounter issues pairing your phone to sync, try these troubleshooting steps. First, delete old pairings from both your phone and the sync system. Second, reset sync via the settings menu to clear any glitches. Third, check for any available software updates for sync via the Ford website using a USB drive. Now, important considerations for sync. Note that Sync 1 and 2 have limited support as of 2025, with Ford directing users to third-party solutions for enhanced features. While iPhones generally pair seamlessly, Android devices can sometimes experience codec compatibility issues, leading to dropped connections. Consider using a wired USB connection to bypass Bluetooth for more stability or for sensitive data to mitigate Bluetooth vulnerabilities. Aftermarket adapters for wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are also popular upgrades, especially given Sync's limitations compared to modern infotainment systems.